Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara. I'm just a girl who is lucky to get pregnant through IVF. Yes, navigating pregnancy. Actually, I'll be a first time mom. It's not my first time being pregnant, but when this baby is here, I'll be a first time mom. And today's video, as you can see from the title, is just unboxing. I've had this stuff for a while now. I'm like, how do I do this? But I guess we're going to do it. However it comes out, please pardon me. I'm just still learning the ropes of doing all this YouTube things. So I got a few things for baby and also a few things for mama, because mama needs change of clothes also. But this big bag we have here is from Caters. They they had the last sale they had, which I believe was the Labor Day sales. I got lots of things, different ages though. So some things we may need now, some things we may not need till after. So we're going to unbox it, see what we have in there. It's a very big bag, it's heavy, and it's lots of, yeah. Then mama also got a few things. Then we have our hello box from Babylist. If you've seen my last video, that was my Amazon unboxing registry, or unboxing my Amazon registry gifts item. I don't know, but that one was just Amazon. And I did mention that I was going to create a Babylist registry also, and I did that. We have already started telling people. We told a few friends and sent them link, and someone bought us something off the registry, and we were stoked. Like, we were so excited. Like, we just told them, and then a couple of days I was about driving out for work, and I saw this big truck in my driveway. I was like, what's going on? And they hauled out this big giant box from it. I was like, did we order a new TV, or I didn't order anything. I'm like, what's going on? And it was a gift from the baby registry. The person actually ordered three items, but they came on three separate days. So I'll be inserting, I'll be taking the pictures of it. We haven't unboxed it yet, but I know one is a crib, then a high chair, and I think baby bottles, which, like, ooh, we are so thankful. Like, every day I'm like, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. We are so thankful. But let's get into this video right now. So I think I'm going to be starting with which one do I start with? Which one do I start with? All right, Caters is in front, so let's start with the Caters. Oh my god. Oh my god, these are so cute already. I just can't. Oh my god. Oh, I went I went ballistic. Jesus. Okay, so this is a onesie. I don't know, should I open all these? I'm not ready to open them yet, so I don't know. So this is a onesie, three months. This one is 18 months. Wow. I'm really thinking far ahead. Let's see what's inside this one. Oh, look at that! Look at that. That is so cute. So this is for 18 months. 18 months is a year and a half, right? Yeah. Wow. Like, I don't know. Probably because this is going to be my first time, but I kind of feel like these baby clothes, they are really small. I don't know. That's how I've been feeling. Like, whenever I open anyone, I always like, how is a baby going to fit into this? It's really small. Well, we'll see. So these lots of onesies, sleepers. Ooh, what is this? How do I open this one? Oh my god. I hope I don't start crying in this. I hope I don't start crying in this. Like, look at that. I hope I don't start crying. Oh my god. Oh, these are so cute. These are so cute. Okay. Thank you so much. We hope this brings a smile to your face. Let's see. Oh, they added lots of coupons for us. Oh, these DoorDash coupon, Shutterfly, safety. Should we? We don't have pets. Hello Fresh. A few preference may be useful, maybe not. We'll find out soon. Alrighty. Let's see what Mama got for herself. So these are for Mama. Um, sometimes these people wrap this like it's never going to be opened. Oh, okay. Yep. Leggings. Leggings for Mama because it's almost fall. So I think leggings is going to be saving the day. Yeah. To have a smell to it, definitely. We're watching it before we put it on. Okay. Yep. Good. I hope they're not too small. So I'm going to be trying them on. Another one. Oh, Pretty Garden. I have lots of toothpaste sets from this brand, Pretty Gardens. I love their toothpaste set. It's so soft, buttery, and also hides the bump. Like if you're still trying to hide your pregnancy, because the tops always have this oversized fits, and I love them. I love them. So this set, I already had the pink one, but it was really too big, and I didn't try it on. I just laundried it, like washed it. I didn't try it on, else I would have returned it. But I think we can work with it like late pregnancy when the bump is really bigger than it is now. So I had to order a smaller one. I had to order a smaller one that I can wear now because that one is really big. Like I'm swimming in them. So, so soft, so soft. Like, and they're two-piece sets, easy to put on, no styling needed. Just head up to your OB appointment or any appointment that you have, or even run errands. And this is the last one for Mama. Now this should be a dress. Ooh, we love pink. Oh yeah. Okay, that's going to be a mini gown. But we are slaying. Like we are pregnant, but we're still going to be slaying. Okay. Wow, I love this gown already. Like the pink is pinking. Okay. All right, now we got that out of the way. And the last but not the least, the special delivery from Babylist. Let's see what we have in it. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see. Hello, baby. We're excited to be part of your growing family. We love hearing from you. So, at Babylist Social, let us know what you love from this box. We're so happy to be on this journey with you, the Babylist team. Okay. All right, let's see. So, we got diapers, Huggies diaper. How many is in there? 3. Um, Philips Avent bottle, Nook bottle, Rascals newborn diapers. There is like 2 diapers in here. Water wipes, Honest wipes. I cannot say this name, but this is a pacifier. Nutrafol postpartum hair growth. I don't think we'll be needing this. Like, look at this. I don't think we'll be needing this one. Like, okay, the hair is. Oh yeah, I have this on my list. I said I'm going to go get this like yesterday. The Palmer's lotion and the body oil, so we can start moisturizing the bump. I have this on my list to go get. Noodle and Boo laundry detergent. Oh, Todd. There's like, what is this? I don't know. Well, it's an ointment from Todd. They also have some coupon, maybe snack some deals. What is this one? Oh, breast pad and breast milk storage bag. We have another pacifier. Ooh, deodorants. Yeah, I've seen videos like that we stink after we give birth. We stink. Even you take a shower 10 times a day, you still stink. So yeah, no, I have my own deodorants, but yeah, good thoughts. Then we have coupons, more coupons, more coupons. Oh, what is this? Oh, breast storage guideline. Oh, not breast storage, breast milk storage guidelines. Oh my god, breast milk storage guidelines. Okay, we'll need that because we have no idea what we're doing. Um, ooh, we have a bib. That's cute. Triple paste. What is this? Diaper rash cream. And we got another onesie. Ooh, look at that. So cute. Kite baby. Wow, the material is this the one they call bamboo? It's a bit stretchy. It says 0 to 3 months. Ooh, I love the material. Kite baby. It's so soft. Okay. And lastly, we have this. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this. Because I've watched so many videos. Oh God, I don't know. But the lactation specialist, they say you have to measure your nips to be able to get the correct flange size for your breast pump. So I am so excited about this. I don't have to go order another one from Amazon or anywhere. So I think of all these, I'm more excited about this. But yay, we are so happy. Thank you, baby list. This is a lot. Like this is a lot. So we got 2 diapers, 2 bottles, a bib, a onesie, 2 pacifiers, the nipple measuring tool, then lots of cream, lotion for mama and for baby, and ooh, oh, 2 wipes also. We got a lot of things. This is more than the Amazon one, but so excited. Okay, now we got the unboxing out of the way, a little update, you might call it. So we are 18 weeks and 5 days as of today, the recording of this video. The nausea has reduced, but I still experience like 1 day or 2 days in a week is going to be really bad and I get to vomit. So it's not as frequent as it was during the first trimester, but it's still happening. Then I'm no longer spotting from the subchorionic hematoma that I had at 12 weeks. I did spot for about almost 4 weeks with that. So about 3.5 weeks before I had my first 24 hours of no spotting, and then it continued till now. So I think about going on how many weeks now? I don't know. I have to check my calendar, but I know I marked the day that I stopped seeing the spotting. So probably a little over 2 weeks now. No spotting, no bleeding, nothing. My boobies are growing and growing and growing. I don't know where they're growing to, but these two, they are growing and engorging. I don't know how to say it, but some days they are very, 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 very sore and tender. Then the bump is coming out a little bit. I think I'm going to be small. I don't know. Some days I look at myself, I'm like, where's this bump? Where's the baby? And we have appointments, like the first appointment this second trimester coming up on 19 weeks. Yeah, will be 19 weeks exactly when we go for that appointment. So that will be the first appointment since after the bleeding and everything. So it's been a while since we got to see baby. The last appointment we had was at 14 weeks. So I am so excited and looking forward to that appointment. Then after that, we're going to have another appointment at 20 weeks. So they do the fetal echo, do the anatomy scan that will happen at 20 weeks. Thankfully, I was able to book the appointment, the 2 of them on the same day because it's happening at the same place. So yeah. Then what's up? What's up again? Oh, because I'm high risk, 35, I have hypertension, it's an IVF pregnancy, and I've had two previous miscarriages. So we are in the high risk category. Nothing scary about that. I already expected it based on being hypertensive and previous miscarriages and IVF. So I knew that was going to happen. So we were referred to maternal fetal medicine just for them to have their own opinion, mostly because of the hypertension, if we need to change my medications or change the doses. But for now, the medication I'm on and the dose I'm on, the doctor is okay with it. She's going to be at the back end in case we need her for any changes or up in the dose. We did discuss the risks associated with maternal hypertension and all that and the plan, because even yeah, we know the risk, then what is the plan to keep everything in check, kind of. So frequent monitoring. Once we hit 32 weeks, frequent monitoring, the baby may be coming earlier, um depending on how things go. If the pregnancy is progressing fine, mommy is fine, baby is fine, then we'll see when baby wants to make their arrival. But if things start happening, maybe we can't control the blood pressure anymore and there are signs of preeclampsia, think please, that is not going to be us. But I know that even though we are covered in prayer and medications, I know that is a possibility of happening. So we are still going to take precautions and make plans just in case that happens. So we have all the doctors that we need, and everybody is doing what they're supposed to do, monitoring us, keeping us healthy, and mama is trying her best also to keep herself healthy, eat well, eat well, and do everything she's supposed to do. But I think that's much of the updates. Nothing crazy going on around here on this blog, but we are thankful every day. We are thankful for how far we've come, how far God has brought us, and we know we're going to get this baby home. Okay? Though we haven't started getting things ready, but just little by little, we'll get there, hopefully. Fingers crossed. All right, I'll try. I don't know, I'm not so good at this, but I'll try to vlog more, maybe our appointments. My daily activity of daily life is boring, so nothing to film on that. But maybe more of when we go for appointments. So we'll see how that goes. At least we have like two appointments happening in the next few weeks. We'll see how that goes. So anyway, this video is getting too long. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about all the stuff that we got. I know it's a lot, especially the kittens bag. It was a lot. But let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time on my next video.